Hey guys, it's me, Loris. Welcome back to another RecRoom tutorial. So today we will be learning how to build a simple tree with tube and RecRoom. So this is a tutorial for amateur builders and more advanced. So first, you are going to go to your watch, backpack, maker pen, pull your maker pen out, okay? And then you're going to go to create, palette, scroll all the way down until you see tube, and then you want uniform shapes off. Create tube settings. You're going to want on 0.25, tube high scale on 1, tube faucets at 10, smooth tube on, and connect nearby tubes. It does not matter if it's on. Then you're going to go to recolor. Color, you're going to want to pick this nice chocolate color. Material, you're going to go to carpet, and you see where it says sizer here, that just changes what the material looks like. So if I have it more scaled down, it's gonna look more like that. If I have it scaled up more, it's gonna look more like this. Middle looks like that. So yeah, so we're gonna have it around there. Okay. So we're just gonna start off with making the stump. So we're gonna build it to right here. Okay. Start building up a little bit until it's about right there. That should be good. So we're just gonna scale it down some. I think we're gonna make it a little bit smaller actually. I think that will make it look a bit bigger. Better. Do it about that. Okay, we're gonna scale it up a little bit. Just a little. Okay. Edit. And we're just gonna pull this down, which by the way, so to double edit, you're going to hit edit up here, then you're gonna grab the object you want with your move tool, and then you hit edit again up here, and you should see these blue circles, and you can just, when you use those blue circles, it moves stuff around like that. So we're gonna move this all the way down to about right there. That's a good size. Okay, we're gonna scale it down a little. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to just clone this like that, do that. Okay, then we're going to move it up. Okay, and then we're just gonna play with this a little bit until it looks good and looks like an actual branch. So I don't know why my microphone's doing that. It's weird. There we go. I've never had that issue, I don't think. Okay. And you're just gonna move it around some. So one of the things is, just like we did with the tree stump, is you're gonna make it skinnier and skinnier as it reaches the end. So I'd say about that's good. That looks pretty good. Maybe we'll make it a little skinnier over here. We're gonna move that down there. Okay, fix that up a little bit. Okay. We're just gonna scale the whole thing up a little bit, and then we are going to turn grid back on, and we're just gonna move it around a little bit until it gets a nice shape that looks like an actual tree. Okay, so that's looking good so far. Just gonna move that right there. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and just copy that. Put it down here, and then we're going to scale it up. We're going to scale it up some. Okay. Put that right there. Okay. Okay, point out a little bit. Alright. So this is what it should look like so far. And then we're just going to clone this. Make it a little smaller. And we're going to put this one right here. And then we're going to clone it again. Make it a little smaller. And we're just going to put that one right here. So it should look like this. We're gonna move it down. Oops. Undo. We're gonna move that down a little over here. Put that right there. Okay. just gonna adjust that till we think it looks good. Okay, that's looking pretty good, I'd say. So now you're just going to clone it, and you're going to make little branches that stem off of the already existing branches to make it have a much fuller look. And you're just going to make them different sizes. So this branch is going to have a smaller branch stemming off it, and then a even smaller branch. And then I wouldn't go too heavy with it, like, because you're not gonna be able to see every single branch. But we're just going to scale that up more. Do the same on this one. Same right here. And scale it down some. Make sure they're all unique, like you see on an actual tree. Okay. And just keep doing that. Scale that up some. Put it on this one. Okay. Clone that. Scale it down some. Put that right there. So it's looking good so far. We're going to add another one of these, maybe. Yep. This one's gonna be a little bit lower than the other ones, and it's gonna have its own little stems as well, like the rest of them have. Okay, it's looking good so far, and very nice. Let's take this one right here. Okay, that's looking good so far, and then we're just going to clone that part right there, the base of the tree, and then we're going to make this a nice espresso color. And you're just going to use your rotate tool to spin around a little bit to give it that nice texture. So we're going to move it around a little bit till we like it more. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to go and just, wrong one. I just clone that. And I just make it pretty small, and I just put it in here. It gives more texture. In later tutorials, I will be showing you guys how to do more advanced trees. But so far, this is a pretty basic tree. Okay. We're gonna do a little more stems over here because it's not looking as full as I would like it to be. So I'm gonna make this one a bit tinier. Put it over here, and we're just gonna clone it, put it over there. That's looking a little better. Okay, and then now we are going to go back into recoloring. We're going to choose this nice green color right here, and you're just going to do this with your makeup pen. We're actually going to redo that and make it look a bit more messy. Okay, we're going to use our manipulate tool and just put that in more. Then we're going to use our scaling tool to scale it up some more. Then we're going to go back into recolor, and we're going to choose that green right there. And then we're just going to do that. And then we are going to go to 2 faucets and make it 3. And you're just going to do that same thing that we did earlier. Scale it up. Just so you know, it adds some texture. So that's a nice green, I'd say. We're going to do that. Scale it up some more. Okay. Now we're going to take it. We're going to scale it up plenty big. Do that. Do that. Same thing over here. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more over here. So we're just gonna take this right here. Okay. We're gonna Push that in a little. Same with over here. Push it in a little. Okay. Alright guys, there you have it. That's a nice, simple tree that looks good. And it does not take too much ink. Okay. Well guys, thank you for watching my tutorial on how to build a simple tree with tube. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next tutorials I make. Goodbye guys, have a great day.